Today we discuss some multiple choice questions. Type first, more than one choice is correct. Question number 1. Which of the following will not depend on orientation of frame of reference? A scalar, B, a vector, C, magnitude of a vector, and D, component of a vector. Now question second, the momentum of a particle is given by vector P equal to 2 sine Ti minus 2 cos Tj kg meter per second. Select the correct options. A. Momentum P of the particle is always perpendicular to vector F. Momentum P of the particle is always parallel to vector F. Magnitude of momentum remain constant, and last option is none of these. Now question third is, which of the following relations are wrong? Vector A plus vector B equal to C. Vector A plus vector B equal to C. Vector A plus vector B equal to vector C. And D, A plus vector B equal to vector C. Now fourth question is, if a vector A has magnitude A and vector C is unit in direction A, then which of the following are correct? Vector A by unit vector n, vector B equal to n equal to vector A by A, I equal to magnitude of vector A by A, D equal to vector A equal to A unit vector n. Now fifth question, for two vectors vector A and vector B, which of the following relations are not commutative? Vector A plus vector B, vector A minus vector B, vector A cross vector B, and vector A dot vector B. Now sixth question is, the angle that the vector A equal to 2i plus 3j makes with y-axis is option first, tan inverse 3 by 2, tan inverse 2 by 3, cos inverse 2 by root 13, and the last option is sin inverse 2 by 3. Similarly, next questions you solve one by one and give its answer. Such as identify the vector quantity, time, work, heat, angular momentum, which of the following quantity is a vector, displacement, density, volume, temperature, which of the following can be a vector, area, volume, length, and pressure, which of the following quantities is a vector, mass of a radius, mass of a radium nucleus, charge on a proton, wind velocity, energy of the thermal neutrons, and so on. So similarly, one by one you can solve it and send the answer.